I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm big.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. So today I'm back with a massive Zara haul. I picked some few items from them. So we're gonna be trying some few pieces I picked for spring and summer. And all these outfits I haven't tried them yet. So this video is gonna be like a trying on haul because all these pieces I picked I haven't tried them yet. So we're gonna be trying them together. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also put notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video here. So without much time guys, let's get started. So the first outfit I got guys is this cute satin panty. The material is very good quality. This is how it look like. It has a very wide legs and also it has a slit on it. So this is how it look in front. It has two pocket here. From the back side, this is how it look like. So I'll go ahead and try this one. So I want to try to match it with this cute spaghetti top. The material is very cute. Actually, this one is satin material. As you can see, the material is very nice, very good quality. As you can see from the camera, it's very smooth. So I'm gonna be pairing this top with this panty. So I'm gonna try to pair these outfits with these shoes I got from Guess.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
The next outfit is another satin spaghetti top. This is how it look like, very cute. Actually, these two tops, they look the same. So the reason why I bought these two tops, the same design, the same color. So I want to try to match with this pant here. And also these two colors here, you can match with different colors. You can pair this color with white trouser or black trouser and you'll end up creating a very beautiful look.
Creeping up from the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I...
So the next outfit I got is another cute panty. This is how it look like in front. It has two pockets. And from the back side, this is how it look like. It has two closed pockets on back side. I love the color because this color is also cute, and also this color you can pair with different colors. And also I want to try to pair this color with this spaghetti top.
Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get.
And also I think these two colors here can create a very cute look. So let's go ahead and try them as well.
To be winning, I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. Gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
So the next outfit I got, guys, is this cute satin green blouse. So this is how it look like. I love the color because it's very cute. It's very rich color and the material is very good quality. As you can see from the camera, guys, the material is very soft, very comfortable for spring and summer. So this is how it look like. I love the color of this blouse, guys, because the color is so cute. The reason why I picked green is because green is my favorite color, and also green with white can never disappoint you guys. So this color here, I'm gonna be styling it with the white trouser.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So the next outfit I got, guys, is another white satin blouse. Basically these two blouses here, they look the same. It's only that I picked different colors, and this one is pure white. I don't know if the camera is focusing well. The material is the same.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something.
So this blouse here, I want to try to pair it again with this pant here.
My last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So the next outfit I got is another cute panty from Zara. It has two pockets in front, and from back side, this is how it looked like. It has one closed pocket here. And again, guys, the reason why I bought these white trousers is because I want to try it with different colors of the outfits that I bought. So this one, I want to try first with the green. Green with white can never disappoint you. Look at that.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup.
So the next outfit, guys, I got is this cute blouse here. This blouse here, guys, is everything. It has a very cute button. The rest of the buttons, they look like this. Front side, there is these cute details here. It's light pink. And also from the back side, it has that cute details on the back side. So this one also I got in size medium.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So guys, this marks the end of this video, and thank you so much for your time, and also thank you again for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click subscribe button below, put notification bell on so that you don't miss out any video from me. So see you on my next one.